Okay, so guys, this is like I am dyeing my hair black, and I don't know what to say. Like, I had my color for so long, but you know, just bear with me. I didn't put this color on camera because I felt like I was just gonna tear it up, even though it's not that hard to do box color. But the only box colors that I do use are the Clairol textures and tones, only because it gives you more of natural looking colors instead of colors that you really don't want to use on an everyday basis, like those colors that make your hair look one color. Nobody's color strands are one color. But yeah, so I'll come back to you when I rinse this out, and hopefully we'll be looking cute then. Notice anything different?
Your hair it's kind of blurry, but your hair looks different.
Is it different?
Look, the camera's blurry, so I'm not gonna say. I can't see it, but your hair does look different.
Is it different?
I don't know.
You sound like you scared to answer the question.
I am scared to answer this question.
Why?
Are you recording me?
No.
Eyes.
I'm recording from my YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Hi.
But I don't know. Your hair looks different though. Huh?
It's black.
Something was different.
You know how that Vine where it was like, Chris Brown died, and then the girl was like, what? And then the brother was like, his hair black. You should have dyed some of it gray, man.
I know.
That would have been super cute.
I know. It would have been popping.
Hello.
It's my camera midget.
Yes. Yes.
God.
That would have been cute if like you dyed the ends gray.
Hurt my knee. Alright, so we're sitting here letting the conditioner set my hair. It's been how long I've been editing the video? Probably like 20 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit in for about an hour.
Michael Jackson.
Back black, man. Batman. Did you just pop your collar? You have no collar. It's 10:20. My friend's like water froze. Her water pipes froze, so she might be coming over here. I don't know yet. But if she is, that means I have to hurry up and clean the bathroom, but I don't want to. But I'm gonna do it because I'm a good friend. What is this? Is this bad ends? Oh, ooh. Those will be clipped.
Cut.
Don't do that. We don't do that wrong here.
Cut it. Hashtag throwback 2017.
That wasn't that far ago.
Ready. Look. Ready?
What?
Oh!
You want me to edit that? It's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
No. Like, what you wanted to happen? What really happened? Oh, my hair just like soaked up all of that conditioner.
Wait, edit it. Okay, ready?
I'm
gonna do it.
I'm also going to flat iron and
You
or
gonna
blow
flat
dry
iron?
and flat iron my hair. So I'm gonna be kind of cute.
It's gonna
Kind of
banging.
cute.
You gonna look like mom when she put up in that BMW. Skirt.
Skirt, skirt. Skirt, 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 skirt. Skirt, 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 skirt. What? Yeah, shouting. Vocal.
Hurts me the most when I wake. I fumble and twist till the truth starts to click. There's so much space in this bed. These sheets go for miles. Dreams of your smile. I don't wanna be just a memory, and I don't wanna feel your wings break free. Because without you, I'm lost in the breeze. I gotta be strong now. I gotta show you how I love you like I've never ever loved somebody. I'll give you things you didn't even know you wanted. Don't tell me that it's not enough. My time is up, you're over us. Cause I think I might do anything for you if you just